I prefer to baste it this way. This is perfect. Wait a minute. And then this happens. Didn't so. And it looks like this. So you take this part. This has to go here, right? So you take this part like this, face to face, turn over tight, like this, tight, pin like this, and stitch. Now you take this, flip over like this. I'm going to do a back stitch here. Always check before turning that this lines up. And back stitched. After back stitching, prepare for hand sewing. Like this. Then you turn and pin. Inside facing and lining, I had to hand stitch all around. And this is how it looks inside. Beautiful.